Google Trends is a free tool from Google that analyzes search data to reveal patterns of interest over time and across regions. As of 2025, it's a key resource for market research, helping businesses uncover insights into consumer behavior, seasonal trends, and competitor analysis. Recent updates include AI-driven insight summaries that automatically explain trends. Integration with YouTube and Google Shopping data provides a more holistic view. Improved geographic resolution down to city levels enhances regional analysis. Understanding how to leverage these features for keyword research, seasonality analysis, and competitor insights is crucial for effective market research. Google Trends helps identify high-interest keywords by displaying search interest over time, across regions, and through related queries. You can compare up to 5 keywords at once and filter by categories to understand consumer demand for specific products or services. Seasonality analysis involves reviewing data across multiple years to identify recurring patterns, which helps businesses forecast demand and prepare inventory for seasonal products. For competitor analysis, compare search interest for brand names or related terms to spot emerging competitors in your market. The data from Google Trends is normalized on a scale from 0 to 100, with 100 indicating peak interest. This allows insights into the relative popularity of different search terms.